We've made the trek up to Redlands Bay to go and visit the team here at KRE Race Engines. Looking forward to catching up with Kenny, Wendy, and of course Ryan McNamara. Let's go. Kenny, thanks for having us. Tell us about the new premises.
Yeah, that was a big project last year. We had to move in July and sort of build a new shop and new dyno rooms.
I'd love to go and have a bit of a look around the place.
No problem.
We're here in the machinery room, a long way down the line from the humble beginnings of your back shed of your parents' house.
Yeah, correct. Probably 30 years ago, I was building engines out of a little two-bay garage. Most things we do in-house, the way you can keep build things quickly and to how you want to.
Okay, we're in the dyno room now. This is one of the V8 supercar engines.
Yeah, this is one of Triple Ace engines. So once every engine's rebuilt, comes back on here and make sure it's good.
You're getting close to the 200 wins now in the V8 supercars.
There's 182 or something for Triple Eight, and I think there's another 8 or 9 for Techno. So it's sort of, yeah, it's getting close.
Upstairs at KRE Race Engines, Kenny, no doubt spares would be a very important thing for the business.
Yeah, yes, it's the hardest thing because everything comes from the US, so big lead times on crankshafts and blocks, so you've got to try and keep as much of that in stock as possible, so if someone has a problem or they want to buy a new motor, you can sort of turn it around quickly.
With the brains of the operation, I think you would agree, Wendy McNamara, of course. You mentioned scheduling. Just explain your part in that process.
Basically just organising what engine's coming when with the supercars and the sprint cars, so it can be a bit juggling act. Just trying to pin Ken down is very hard for me, let alone anyone else.
The A-team, Ryan and Kenny. Ryan, first of all, you've started an apprenticeship here, mate. Tell us about that.
Yeah, 4th year apprentice now, so just an engineering conditioner, so I'm doing all the machining along with Luke in there, so yeah, it's great. Straight out of school and come work and loving it.
Kenny, obviously great to be working with Ryan, following the family business.
We all do it together, and yeah, Ryan's doing the machining, which is sort of not my forte, but good. And then, the racing, like I said, Ryan said hopefully 12 months we can do a bit more motor testing, and sort of that way we can help build stuff for our customers.
KRE Race Engines, get online, have a look at them, and obviously great supporters of 4 Wide and of course the 47th Grand Annual Sprint Car Classic. Thanks very much to the McNamaras.